of 46. It says solve in real numbers the equation 3x plus 1 into 4x plus 1 into 6x plus 1 into 12x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now this is a nice question of, you can say, a biquadratic equation. So how do we proceed? Solution: we can multiply either 3x plus 1 into 12x plus 1 with one side and 4x plus 1 into cx plus 1 as one side. And what is the reason behind it? We will get to know as we multiply and proceed. So this is 12x plus 1 or 4x plus 1 and 6x plus 1, that is equal to 5. So this will be 12x square plus 15x plus 1, 36x square. So this is 36x square plus 3x plus 12x, yes, correct. Now this will be 24x square plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now if we say let 12x square plus 5x is equal to t, then this will be 3t and this will be 2t. So basically it will be equal to 3t plus 1 into 2t plus 1. That's why 3 will be paired with 12 and 4 will be paired with 6. Now what is the value for this? So this will be 6t square plus 5t minus 4 is equal to 0, where t is equal to minus b plus minus b ka square 25 plus 96 divided by 2a. So this is t ka square and yeah, so 6y square plus 5t minus 4, and therefore the value of t will be minus 5 plus minus b ka square and 6 4 24, 24 into 4 96, so by 2a, that is 2 into 6. So the value is t that is 96, 116, 121. So t is equal to minus 5 plus minus 11 divided by 12. Hence the value is, if I subtract, so minus 16 by 12, that is minus 4 by 3, and 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. So there are two values, 12x square plus 5x is equal to minus 4 by 3, and hence is equal to 36x square plus 15x plus 4 is equal to 0. And the second value will be 12x square plus 5x is equal to 1 by 2, which is also equal to 24x square plus 10x is equal to 1, and hence 24x square plus 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are required to find the real values. So there are two equations. Now for the first equation, if we find delta discriminant, so 25 minus 576, delta is less than 0, so no real solution. But for the second one, we have 24x square plus 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be minus 10 plus minus b ka square, that is 100, plus b square minus 4ac. So this will be plus 96 divided by 48, and hence the value is x is equal to minus 10 plus minus 14 divided by 48. So one answer will be minus 1 by 2, second answer will be 1 by 12, and hence there are two values of x which is real, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 12. So minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 12, these are the answers. Thank you.